Anastasia S. Cruz. I'm here to show you the awesome bouncing experiment. We'll need a few materials for our experiment: eggs, pigment, stirrer, clear glass, and vinegar. This experiment also takes time. Will take a few days to finish this experiment. The first thing you will do is gently put one egg in each glass. If you are using pigments, now is the time to color your vinegar. Then gently pour the colored vinegar into the glasses for the eggs. Our eggs aren't ready yet, but do you see the bubbles coming from the egg? We'll talk about that later. These eggs have been sitting in vinegar for 2 days. Look what happened! The shell is gone! Let me quickly wash this in running water. So how did the eggshell just disappear like that? Well, there are some things that are good at eating away other things. Those are called acids. Soft drinks, juice, and coffee all have acids in them. And vinegar has acid in it too. So when you put the egg in the vinegar, the acid in the vinegar slowly ate away the eggshell until eventually the whole shell is gone. Remember the bubbles? Those bubbles are formed as the acid in the vinegar was eating away or dissolved the shell. What is left is the soft tissue or the membrane that line the inside of the eggshell. That's what's keeping the egg together even without the shell. Do you notice something else? These eggs grew bigger. The vinegar is really watery, but the eggs are not so watery, so some water moved from the vinegar into the egg to make it more equal and to make the egg bigger. Now for the exciting part, let's try bouncing the eggs. But be careful, remember the egg has no shell. Now we know if we put the eggs in vinegar, the eggshell disappears. The egg also absorbs the water from the vinegar, making the egg bigger and bouncy. Thanks for watching. Bye!